Right guys, it's Christmas Eve, 23rd of December. I'm in with the kids and we're going to go out for the day. We're going to get the Christmas meat for the Christmas meal that we're going to do. One thing I like to sort of just talk about, something a bit strange, Christmas cards. Christmas card ninjas, I call them. People who drop you a Christmas card off, like they're dropping off a shipment of drugs. They run in, they drive really quick, and they're away. You know, these people are your friends. Mystic K apparently. So yeah, you go to the front door and you've been in all day and there's a card. But you've been in all day and no one's been and knocked on the door. And it's an epidemic. And do you know something? I'm doing it myself. It's something we're all doing, is this. Sneaking up to your friends and family's homes, tiptoeing in. I mean, I've even done it late at night, and it kind of leaves you feeling a little bit ashamed, really, that you've done this. And then you run away really quick, or drive away really quick. Then you think to yourself, what is the point? What is the point of it all, and why are we not spending time with these people? I suppose modern life's eroding our time. We're so busy. I mean, I'm off from work, but you know, there's emails popping up every 5 minutes in the world. You've got tsunamis happening in the news. The world never stops, and I get that. But you know, sometimes you got to take your foot off the gas, get off the merry-go-round, and just look around you, the people who are there, because when they're gone, we're all full of regrets. When they're gone, we'll think, do you know what? I wish I'd knocked at the door, and it's impossible. I mean, when you talk about real friends in the real world, we've got, in reality, probably about 20 real good ones who we're maybe not seeing because we're too busy focusing on our work life, focusing on social media, watching TV, gaming. These things are all important recreation outlets, and don't get me wrong, they're vices of mine massively. But you sort of have to think, what? It's the new year coming after Christmas, and what changes are we going to make to address this? It's weird. Don't be a Christmas card ninja. Even though I'm going to do it again later today. 2019, I'm hoping not to be a Christmas card ninja. Merry Christmas, everybody. I just want to wish everybody out there on YouTube a fantastic Christmas and a prosperous 2019. We'll see you very soon with some more vlogs from ThornwickTV. Thank you.